Hello, I'm Robert Kramer. I'd like to share with you a recent fishing trip that I took to a new secluded location where I found some amazing fish. I'd just like to share that video with you. Hope you enjoy. I love creek fishing and hopefully you enjoyed as well. Look at the video. Share with me what you thought and how I can improve it in the future. Take care and God bless. Catch him and release him. Seems to be really working well with the fish tonight. Do that. I'm gonna throw it out there to see if I can pull it. Looked like it was at least 12 inches, maybe more. A little hole. It may not be incredibly deep. I don't think he's as big. It's not that big one I was looking for. And you can see they got the beautiful red eyes, and we want that nice big one that we saw in here. Nice. Oh, look at the size of that rock bass. Whoa. Oh, say hello to everybody there. So now if I could just catch that smallmouth that I know there's got to be something by that log that just kind of is irresistible to a fish. One more try over here. I am going to attempt to get that nice smallmouth, smaller cousin. Yep, smaller cousin. Let me get the hook out of your mouth started. Because I don't want it to go deeper. I'm going to get my pliers just because it's in a little bit of his flat. Next part will be out of his meat. There we go. I'm using this video. Go. I think that might be the bigger one that I was looking for earlier. But he's definitely bigger than any of them I caught today. Release that fish. I could see where that fish was going. Look at him, what a pretty fish. Okay, stop for a second. Let me get hold of you. Special fish. Okay, get you out. Only about 12 inches, maybe a little bit longer, but the fish bite. And, tonight we can get another one of these. Let's see if I can catch. I haven't caught anything off. Typically those big boys don't bite on the first time over. Oh, I had to hit